What's up guys, it's your boy Andre and we're back here again at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you're interested in keeping your Tour-Pak neat and tidy, then check out our Tour-Pak Wall Organizer. Just tossing stuff into your top case is one way to make a mess of your King Tour-Pak luggage. The Tour-Pak Wall Organizer has mesh and enclosed pockets, perfect to keep your keys and extra tools in easy to access places. The convenient storage system covers 3 interior walls of your top case and can be easily installed using hook and loop tabs. This wall organizer fits in your 2014 and later non-CVO touring or tri-glide model that's equipped with the King Tour-Pak luggage. You'll be surprised at how much space is opened up once you keep everything nice and organized. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Andre, Malama Pono, and we'll see you next time.